Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the tutorial how to send the Litmus to the moonriver. Litmus is a catenary network of Newton tree, the Web3 identity, the parachain in the Polkadot. They already have the slot for the Cardano, and now their token. For the first time, you can transfer the token using the XCM and transfer it out to the other parachain. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. First of all, you need to connect to the to this link. Connect your JS wallet. So I already connect my JS wallet to this link. Now you can see that I have a little bit neat, and so on the left there is a token transfer. If you click that, this is a new bridge, not bridge, actually is a one they used to they actually use the XCM and transfer the token to different parachains. So now I'm going to transfer the token from Litmus network to moonriver, and I can show you on moonriver what I have. So right now on moonriver, they already list the Litmus as XC need. Right now it's 0. I didn't have any right now, and the Litmus is on the Polkadot, the need parachain. And now I'm going to put the address, the moonriver address, and then I put the need. Let me just put a little bit as a demo to show you. So now I will just do the transfer, and now we just click transfer the token. It may ask you to put the password, so you need to sign in. Okay, and then it's successful. So the transaction, you can check the transaction. So you can see it here. It's not there yet, but it will show up soon. So now you can refresh, and let's see if it's there. It's not there yet. Probably will take a little bit time. Let's go back to check my balance. So my balance should be okay. So the balance has been updated. So now it's 6.5, and of course the it also costs a little bit transaction fee, not much. And then I guess we need to wait a little bit. When the transaction is okay. So now you can see that the transaction, okay, so it should be successful now. Now let's refresh on the moonriver, and let's see if the need is there. Okay, so you can see that the need now, the axis need, I do transfer a little bit to the moonriver. So now you can see the new token here. So the original need has been deducted, right? I have 0.1. Now they are on the moonriver as XC need, and then this X need is EVM compatible for the moonriver, so you can use their layer 2 dApp. You can use that if later on they have any event or any kind of a campaign, you can participate and do the staking, all kinds of things, or maybe the swapping. And so I think that's one in the future you can do. Overall, just show you how you can send the Litmus to the moonriver now, and you can follow this tutorial and try it by yourself. But since now there's not much campaign, so I don't think we really need to send the need to the moonriver right now. Just wait for some future campaign, then you can do that. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Leave a comment if you have any, or subscribe if you don't want to miss any future videos. Bye.